Hello everyone. I want this short video to just be an overview to help introduce you to the material in Unit 4 activities. So from the instructional units page, I'm just going to scroll down till I get to my Unit 4 activities. When I get my Unit 4 folder opened up, the first thing I see are my introduction of the material that I'll be working on this week. We will be creating activities for online learning. I've got our unit goals listed and the activities that we will be completing this week as well. The list of due dates are included here, just like the other units. We have activity 4.1, which is a found online activity. You'll do a web search looking for some online activities that you could use in your online class. I have a wiki page that has already been started where we have some suggestions of educational resources and activities that we could use. So if you, as you, find activities that you think would be great to use in the classroom, please add them to the wiki page. Let us know how you're going to use that and get the URL so that we're able to share the resource. Okay, in activity 4.2, you're going to make a blog post. Activity 4.2 has a lot of reading. Here are some websites to look at. But activity 4.2 is broken down into two pieces. What we're doing here is we are creating our online activity, and then we're providing feedback to our students once they have completed that activity. So there's a lot of reading in this week. So in the creating activity folder, we have, there's about 7 different links here to material and websites that will help you as you are looking for online activities. The very bottom here is that Tewksbury rubric for designing activities. You'll use that when you are providing feedback in your cohort to 2 other students. Activity 4.1 and Activity 4.2 will both be due on Wednesday. And after you turn those in on Wednesday, you move down to Activity 4.3. That's your peer review. That's where you are going to go to the blogs of other students in your cohort, and you are going to use that Tewksbury rubric, and you're going to evaluate the activities to 2 other students in the cohort. Let's see, make sure you're using that rubric. Sorry, I had some notes. I'm just double checking here. I'm going to go back out here to our Unit 4 activities and show you the very bottom of our page. The very bottom of our page is a draft submission for your portfolio. You do not have to do this, but if you'd like to submit your activity and your feedback plan for review before it was time for your final submission, you're able to do that. So if you make a draft submission, please send me an email so that I'm looking for it and I can provide some feedback to you before you've got to submit that in on Sunday, March 29th. I'm looking forward to this week with you all. I hope it is exciting and wonderful. Please give me a call if there's anything I could do to give you a hand. My number here at school is 5719. Thanks.